Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful shabbychic vintage kitchen decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Shabbychic vintage kitchen decor often features distressed furniture, pastel colors, floral patterns, antique accessories, and rustic elements like reclaimed wood or old iron. Consider incorporating like curtains, messengers, windows enamel and decorative letters to achieve the desired aesthetic. Vintage-inspired appliances and furniture with a weathered look can add charm and character to the space. Here are some tips for achieving a shabby-chic vintage kitchen decor. Number 1. Soft color palette. Stick to soft pastel colors like pale blue, mint green, soft pink, and creamy white for walls, cabinets, and accessories. Number 2. Distressed furniture. Incorporate distressed or whitewashed furniture pieces such as farmhouse tables, chairs, or cabinets to create a worn-in look. Number 3. Vintage accessories. Hunt for vintage accessories like teapots, glass jars, ceramic pitchers, or old-fashioned skulls to display on shelves or countertops. Number 4. Antique appliances. Consider using vintage-inspired appliances with retro designs or actual antique pieces if they are functional and safe to use. Number 5. Mismatched dinnerware. Mix and match vintage plates, bowls, and cups with floral or light patterns for a charming and eclectic table setting. Number 6. Textured fabrics. Use textured fabrics like burlap or linen for curtains, tablecloths, and chair cushions to add depth and coziness to the space. Number 7. Floral accents. Introduce floral accents through curtains, upholstery, or decorative items like vintage style wallpaper, cushions, or artwork. Number 8. Rustic elements. Incorporate rustic elements such as reclaimed wood shelves, old iron hooks, or distressed metal accents to add warmth and character. Number 9. Vintage signet. Hang vintage sign or chalkboards with handwritten messages to add a nostalgic touch to the kitchen decor. Number 10. Fresh flowers and greenery. Bring in fresh flowers or potted herbs to add natural beauty and a pop of color to the space, enhancing the vintage charm. Number 11. Open shelving. Install open shelves instead of upper cabinets to showcase vintage dishes, glassware, and kitchenware. It adds visual interest and allows you to display your collection. Number 12. Decorative knobs and handles. Replace standard knobs and handles on cabinets and drawers with decorative vintage style options such as ceramic knobs or antique brass pulls to enhance the retro look. Number 13. Mismatched chairs. Mix and match dining chairs in different styles and colors to create an eclectic and inviting dining area. Consider painting them to coordinating pastel shades for a cohesive look. Number 14. Vintage lighting. Install vintage-inspired light fixtures such as pendant lights with glass shades or old iron candelabras to add ambience and illuminate the space with a nostalgic glow. Number 15. Chalkboard wall. Create a focal point by painting one wall or a section of the kitchen with chalkboard paint. It not only adds a vintage touch but also provides a practical space for writing grocery lists, recipes, or inspirational quotes. Number 16. Pattern rugs. Lay down a vintage-inspired rug with floral, geometric, or Persian patterns to anchor the space and add warmth underfoot. Opt for distress or faded designs for an authentic shabbychic vibe. Number 17. Vintage artwork. Hang vintage artwork such as framed botanical prints, old-fashioned kitchen utensils, or retro advertisements to adorn the walls and infuse the space with nostalgic charm. Number 18. Dainty curtains. Choose delicate like curtains or sheer fabrics with vintage-inspired patterns to soften the windows and filter natural light, while adding a touch of elegance to the decor. Number 19. Farmhouse sink. Consider installing farmhouse style sink with a deep basin and apron front to evoke a rustic, country-inspired feel that complements the shabbychic aesthetic. Number 20. Personal touches. Incorporate personal touches and family heirlooms into the decor, such as vintage cookbooks, heirloom dishes, and handmade ceramics to make the space feel cozy and intimate. Remember, the key to shabbychic vintage decor is to embrace imperfections and create a cozy, lifted atmosphere with a mix of old and new elements. By incorporating these tips, you can enhance the shabbychic vintage charm of your kitchen decor and create a space that feels timeless and inviting. Here are some more information to deepen your understanding of shabbychic vintage kitchen decor. History and origins. Shabbychicstyle embraced in the 1980s in England and gained popularity through the interior design influenced the Russell Ushel. It draws inspiration from English country cottages and French provincial decor, combining vintage elements with a old, distressed aesthetic. Key elements. Shabbychic vintage kitchen decor is characterized by a mix of old and new elements, distressed furniture, soft color palettes, floral patterns, and rustic accents. It emphasizes comfort, nostalgia, and lived-in feel. Dye techniques. Achieving the shabbychic look often involves dye techniques such as distressing furniture with sandpaper or chalk paint, inking metal accents with vinegar or patina solutions, and repurposing vintage items for new purposes. Flower markets and thrift stores. Shopping at flower markets, thrift stores, antique shops, and grocery sales is essential for finding unique vintage pieces and accessories to incorporate into your kitchen decor. Look for items with character, patina, and history. Mixing styles. Shabbychic vintage decor encourages mixing styles, patterns, and textures to create an eclectic and personalized look. Don't be afraid to pair delicate lac with rustic wood or floral patterns with industrial accents for a charming juxtapositions. Functionality and practicality. While aesthetics are important, it is also essential to ensure that your kitchen remains functional and practical. Choose vintage-inspired appliances and fixtures that often modern convenience with compromising the nostalgic appeal of the space. Layering the texture. Layering different textures such as like burlap, linen, and distress oat adds depth and visual interest to the decor. Incorporate textiles through curtains, rugs, cushions, and table linens. It softens the space and creates a cozy atmosphere. Natural elements. Bringing in natural elements like fresh flowers, potted herbs, or wooden cutting boards enhance the shabbychic vintage aesthetic and adds a sense of freshness and vitality to the kitchen. Personal expression. Infuse your personality and unique style into the decor by displaying cherished heirlooms, family photos, or handmade crafts. These personal touches make the space feel warm, inviting, and truly yours. By incorporating these additional tips, you can further enhance the shabbychic vintage charm of your kitchen decor and create a space that feels timeless and inviting. In my video, I try to discuss some essential tips and accordingly present you some sample images. Pictures may not always match the words perfectly. Please forgive my mistakes. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.